Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to understand the antibiotics. It is the part of our chapter called harmful and useful or microorganism. Okay. So antibiotics are really very important in our life to kill the certain harmful bacteria, viruses, fungus inside our body. Okay. So first we have to understand what are antibiotics. So antibiotics is nothing but some microorganism contain carbon compound in their body, and these carbon compounds are derived from them to prevent or to kill the microorganism which are harmful to the human beings and other animals. Such drugs are called as antibiotics. Okay. So antibiotics are nothing but the drugs. Drugs means medicine. Drugs which are derived from microorganism to prevent the growth of harmful microorganism in animal body or human or to kill the drugs which are derived from the microorganism to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria or virus, or we can say microorganism in animal body or human body, or to kill the harmful microorganism. Harmful microorganism are called as antibiotics. Okay, or we can again define as, so antibiotics are the drug. Antibiotics are the drug which used to kill the harmful bacteria or to stop their growth in human or animal body are called as antibiotics. Generally, antibiotics is used against the bacterial infection in the body of human being or the body of other animals. Okay, so I hope आपको antibiotic समझ में आ गया होगा. Generally, antibiotic drug माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म के बॉडी से ही डिराइव होती है. दे कैन बी डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द बैक्टीरिया और वायरसेस और सम अदर फंगस, एंड दीज ड्रग्स आर वेरी यूजफुल टू किल और टू स्टॉप द ग्रोथ ऑफ हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया एंड अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म इन द एनिमल्स और ह्यूमंस बॉडी are called as antibiotics. Okay, so there are certain types of antibiotics which works against the various or specific bacterial species. Like we have two types of antibiotic drugs. First you have to write the both definition, then we will understand about the type of antibiotics. Okay, so write down this first. So now we will understand the types of antibiotic drugs. Okay, So antibiotic drugs are mostly divided into two categories. Number one is narrow spectrum antibiotic drug and second is broad spectrum antibiotic drug. So now we have to understand what is narrow spectrum and what is broad spectrum antibiotic drug. Okay. So first we have to understand the narrow spectrum antibiotic drug. So there are certain antibiotic drugs, they generally affect the growth or to kill the specific bacteria only. Such antibiotic drugs are called as narrow spectrum antibiotic drug. So what are narrow spectrum antibiotic drug? The antibiotic drug which is used to kill or to stop the specific to stop the growth of specific bacteria only are called as narrow spectrum antibiotic drug. So as we know, there are two main categories of bacteria, that is gram positive bacteria or gram negative bacteria. So this narrow spectrum antibiotic drugs is going to affect only on the gram positive bacteria or the gram negative bacteria only. Such antibiotic drugs are called as narrow spectrum antibiotic drugs. So here we have to write again, which affects on gram positive or gram negative bacteria only are called as narrow spectrum antibiotic drug. Now broad spectrum. So those antibiotic drugs, they affect on gram positive as well as gram negative bacteria. Okay, so we can say the wide range of bacteria are killed or the stop growth of such bacteria. Such medicines are called as broad spectrum antibiotic drug. So the antibiotic drug which is used to kill or to stop the growth of range of bacteria. Such antibiotic drugs are called as broad spectrum antibiotic drugs. That is, they affect on gram positive as well as on gram negative bacteria are called as broad spectrum antibiotic drugs. Okay, so these antibiotic drugs, which one? The broad spectrum are more cost effective because they are very expensive as compared to the narrow spectrum antibiotic drugs. Okay, so these are the main two types of antibiotic drugs which are used in today's time. Okay, so write down this type of antibiotic again. Okay, so write down now. So now we will understand the use of narrow spectrum and broad spectrum antibiotic drug. As we know, when patient comes to the hospital, the doctor is unaware about the which type of bacterial infection is caused to the patient. At that time, he used the broad spectrum antibiotic drug because that time the type of bacteria is not known. Okay. After the blood is going for the cultural sensitivity test, then the type of bacteria is identified and it requires about 48 to 72 hours time. Okay, so 48 and 72 hours के टाइम में जब रिपोर्ट आ जाती है, then doctor is aware about which type of bacteria is caused to the patient. At that time, he switches from broad spectrum antibiotic drug to narrow spectrum antibiotic drug, and then narrow spectrum antibiotic drug is used to reduce the cost of treatment. Okay, so these are nothing but the use of broad spectrum and narrow spectrum antibiotic drug. Okay, so now write down. Now we will discuss about the first antibiotic of the world. Okay, so एक बार क्या हुआ, डॉक्टर अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को ग्रो करते थे अपने पर्सनल लेबोरेटरी में. ओके, सो उनके पास कुछ पेटिडिस थी जिसमें वो डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिज्म माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को ग्रो कर रहे थे. A, B, C. Suppose there are 3 petrids where the nutrient material is available for the growth of certain microorganism. Okay, so वो एक्चुअल में डिफरेंट बैक्टीरिया को ग्रो कर रहे थे. सडनली क्या हुआ, नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने देखा कि एक पेटिडिस का जो वाटर है वो पूरा का पूरा क्लियर हो चुका था, साफ हो चुका था. फिर अलेक्जेंडर ने फ्लेमिंग जी ने ये सोचा कि व्हाई द वाटर ऑफ वन पेटिडिस इज बिकम क्लियर एंड नीट. सो उन्होंने वहां पर देखा कि इस पर्टिकुलर पेटिडिस में एक टाइप की फंगस ग्रो हो रही थी. दैट फंगस इज देन वो फंगस के एक्सट्रैक्शन के कारण वहां पर जो बैक्टीरिया थे वो किल हो गए थे, मर गए थे. सो उन्होंने पहले रिसर्च किया कि एक्चुअली में जो फंगस है वो कौन सी है, तो फंगस थी पेनिसिलियम. पेनिसिलियम फंगस. तो उन्होंने देखा कि एक पेटिडिस में जहां पर पेनिसिलियम नेम्ड जो फंगस थी वो ग्रो हो रही थी. अब फंगस ग्रो होगी, सो इट विल सिक्रीट सम मटेरियल फ्रॉम इट्स बॉडी. दैट पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल is harmful for the microorganism, that is for that particular bacteria. तो इस फंगस के सिक्रीशन से जो मटेरियल केमिकल निकले थे, दैट केमिकल्स के कारण यहाँ पर जो बैक्टीरिया थे वो डेड हो गए, किल हो गए, और वहां का जो वाटर है वो क्लियर हो गया था, साफ हो गया था. तब अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग ने सोचा कि नहीं, इस पेनिसिलियम जो फंगस है उसके एक्सट्रैक्शन में ऐसा कुछ केमिकल है जो बैक्टीरिया को किल कर देता है. That time he came to know that this penicillium, the material which is extracted by the penicillium, can be used for the treatment of the bacterial infection. Okay, और तब पहली एंटीबायोटिक ड्रग मार्केट में एग्जिस्ट हुई और उसका नाम दिया गया था पेनिसिलिन. ओके, सो पेनिसिलिन इज द एंटीबायोटिक ड्रग which is derived from the penicillium fungus, which shows effect or which kills the harmful microorganism like bacteria. Okay, that's why it is called as penicillium antibiotic drug, and which is discovered by the Alexander Fleming. See, Alexander Fleming actually में microorganism को grow कर रहे थे, but suddenly accidentally उन्होंने मेडिसिन का खोज कर लिया, क्योंकि यहाँ पर पेनिसिलियम नाम की जो फंगस है वो ग्रो कर रही थी. ओके, सो ऐसा भी होता है हमारे स्टेट में. ओके, सो द एंटीबायोटिक ड्रग which is first antibiotic drug is penicillin, which is discovered by the Alexander Fleming and which is derived from the penicillium fungus. And this penicillin is the very useful to kill the harmful bacteria or to stop the growth of harmful bacteria in human body. Okay, so this is the very important research in medical history. Okay, so write down penicillin, which is the drug derived from the Penicillium fungus and which is discovered by the Dr. Alexander Fleming. Okay, so penicillin is the antibiotic drug derived from Penicillium fungus, which is discovered by Dr. Alexander Fleming. Okay, so this is the very important discovery in medicine industry. Okay, so write down. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको आज का जो टॉपिक है बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा और इंटरेस्टिंग भी लगा होगा. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.